Okay. Okay, now let's divide this m square minus 14m minus 32 divided by m plus 2. Here, we can use factorization method, and by factorizing we can do, but in class 7 we have not given to factorize this. We have not learned to factorize. That's why we will use that ordinary method what we used to do in other method. Divide m plus 2 divided to m square minus 14m minus 32. Okay, now here first digit is m square, here first digit is m. Now let's divide this in rough. M square divided by m. How much do we get? M square divided by m. We get m. That is why we multiply by here m. Okay. Here m square. M, how many times to get m square? Here it is like this. M, how many times to get m square? Or simply divide this first digit by this first digit. M square divided by m is m. That's why m into m, how much? Now we can write here m into m square. This is plus 2, and here m plus 2 into m is plus 2m. Now when we divide, signs will be changed. This plus changes into minus. Here also plus changes into minus. Your m square can be cancelled. Now minus 14m minus 2m. Minus 14m minus 2m. That is minus 16m. And your minus 32, same. Now next, again, your first digit is minus 16m. First expression is minus 16m. Minus 16m is divided by your m. How much will you get? Minus 16m divided by m. You first को like firstly divide करने, hey, first को like firstly divide करने always. Now minus 16m divided by m. How much do you get?
Minus 16.
Minus 16. We get minus 16. So we use that minus 16 here. Now m into, now no, we don't use this now. Eh? We use just minus 16. M into minus 16, that is minus 16m. Your plus minus, minus 2 16s are 32. Again, we have to change sign, but minus changes into plus, minus changes into plus. So that these also will be cancelled, these also will be cancelled, remaining, the remainder is 0. That is why this we have to show in rough way. You can make on the right side, at the right side here, you can make a rough and 2. So here, the remainder is 0. Quotient is m minus 16. M minus 16. Now, if you multiply this m plus 2 and m minus 16, we get m square minus 14m minus 32. Okay.